I'm back at my aunt's house, so I guess it's time for another Whatever's in My Aunt's Fridge episode. Today I found a bountiful harvest. Some figs outside that are just turning ripe. A cucumber that just ripened in their garden. A little hot pepper that my aunt brought, my other one, from her garden. I hear these things are really potent, so I'm just using one. Some pre-cooked sausage, I cut this up. And also from the garden, some basil, some lemon verbena, and some sage. Some pine nuts, some greens that were about to go bad, and then hazelnut oil, sea salt, raspberry vinegar, and the final crowning glory, some goat cheese. I think I'm going to make magic today. So I'm actually going to start by making a vinaigrette. Well, the best way you want to do a vinaigrette is you start with your vinegar, in this case raspberry. To that I add salt. And then you drizzle the oil in as you whisk with your mighty fork. If you beat it well and long enough, and if there's enough oil in there, you'll create what's called an emulsion. There's our dressing. Done. I'm going to slice this lemon cucumber. If you've never dealt with a lemon cucumber before, it's pretty much the same flavor as a regular cucumber. It just kind of looks like a lemon. My aunt swears by these. She loves them. Just a nice thin slices. I'm going to scatter these elegantly on my plate. Kind of looks like a healthy vegan pizza at the moment. Alright, the figs don't need much time to cook. The sausage is pre-cooked. This little guy needs to be cut. Oh my, he is spicy. I'm going to attempt to de-seed him. If you're like me and hot peppers make you gag and cry, after you've handled the raw ones, really wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. And even then, be really careful about touching your eye or scratching your nose or when you go to the bathroom later in the day. Okay, so this is going to come together pretty quickly. Just need a little tiny bit of neutral oil in the pan. I'm going to blast this on pretty high heat for maybe 1 to 2 minutes. Add figs. I've actually never cooked with figs before. I've only just eaten them. So I'm not really sure how they behave. I'm going to leave them skin side down just so they won't turn to mush. Now while those are heating through, I'm going to cut this goat cheese. Well, cut is misleading. I'm going to pull out some of this goat cheese. If you've never worked with fresh goat cheese like this, it's kind of like cream cheese, really. I just turn this off, put the herbs in. I'm just going to transfer this to the top of our vegetables. Turn our figs right side up so we can see how beautiful they are. I'm going to put some of this goat cheese on. Drizzle the dressing over it. And behold, it's fresh food snobby goodness. Okay, I have never made or eaten anything like this before, so let's give it a shot. I'm going to get one of these figs and a piece of sausage and some goat cheese. Oh my god. My stomach is having an erection. This is so fucking good.